What's the dance? Do the dance real quick. Okay. Gotta trademark that. You got it.
You ain't talking about make it noise, make it noise.
You ain't flexing. You ain't going hard.
Yeah. What car you drive?
Right now, man, we in the legendary Patchwork. Zaytoven. Got my girl Tokyo Vanity in here, man. We kicking flavor. I'm shooting a video right now. I'm shooting a rap video. He ain't making no noise video. I'm shooting right now.
What's poppin'? It's your girl Tokyo Vanity. I'm checking in. We at the legendary Patchwork, but I'm here with the even more legendary Zaytoven. Legendary Zaytoven. You know what I'm saying? Zay Charles. You know what I'm saying? Period. I'm here. You know we doing our thing. We working how we always working. The album Between Me and Zay coming soon. We doing our thing. He ain't making no noise. You heard me?
We kicking flavor, man. I ain't trying to be no rapper. I just having fun. You know what I mean? Shoot a video. You ain't making no noise. What you say?
Jeffrey Daniels, the Jeffrey Daniels, shooting a music video with Zay. We doing making no noise. We shooting it. We making a movie right now.
A movie? Tell him, Jeff. Let me put my.
Let's get to it.
I gotta get the aviator stick, like the egg, you know.
What's up, bro? You can't keep buying my swag.
I hate I turned you on to the stick, bro.
I'm taking the swag and putting it in your face.
Yeah, it's like nigga, this mom sounds good. And double it.
And double.
Quadruple it.
On top, yeah.
Come on, man.
That's what you don't know nothing about right here, son.
You know about these, son. Praise me.
I'm afraid of it, but I don't respect it.
It's my documentary, brother, so you know what I mean? Watch how you talk to me.
I had the sticks on my way up here. Then I go on IG while I'm driving. I see this nigga with the sticks on. I say, bro, what this nigga doing with some sticks on, bro? I need to talk to D, bro. Man, this nigga from really wearing sticks, bro. Now he's fucking with my sauce and my drip. I have my sticks on. Oh, look, he got sticks on. What you doing with sticks on?
I originated the sticks.
I got all.
Sniz ass in the building, man. Go get that. I think I can rap. You know what I'm saying? We ain't no rappers, we some rappers, man. Hear me? Run track, did that. Yeah.
Boy, snap.
Oh, yeah.
And I had Scooter at the house. It was like when me and Gucci started, we was against everybody anyway. Nobody even want to work with me because I rock with Gucci. Gucci was like the evil villain in Atlanta. For real. You're like, oh, you work with Gucci? Oh, hell no, I don't know beats. And then I'm like, yeah, man, talk about everybody then.
They done told you they don't want no beats. You done went
Yeah,
clean
you
back
don't want
to
no beats.
you done went
Alright,
clean
okay.
back to the crib. Say, Gucci, I got a new one for
Hey,
you.
man. You tell me you don't want no
In
beats.
this nigga tonight.
This is what we need to go ahead right here. He got Timberland, he got David Banner. He in here, they in here listening to beats. As soon as I walk in the door. Oh no, take y'all beats, I don't want none of y'all beats. I got Zay, all I want is Zay beat. He been here listening like, yeah, that's hard. As soon as I walk in, oh no, that's it, we don't want to hear that no. Cut all that off. We got Zay here, we gonna use Zay beat. I'm like, man, bro, why would you do that? He was like, you know, that's how he was.
Now these niggas sleep don't like me.
They looking at me like, who little buddy is? He ain't got no hits or nothing. We was like, bro, I want Zay beats. All we doing is Zay beats. Y'all be straight. Zay beats hard. We like, hold, bro, don't do it like that. Right in this room right here.
You ain't making no noise.